So today I am trying to get VxWorks up and running. They have a SDK software development kit for the Raspberry Pi. WindRiver makes VxWorks, and VxWorks is an RTOS for a lot of military uses it, and a lot of safety critical, and all kinds of big elephants. And so, I thought it'd be good to get to know it. I'm familiar with ThreadX RTOS, which is also safety certified, but it's a lot lighter. This is a heavier one. It can do, I don't know. I really don't know what it can do. So I'm looking at it for myself, from my perspective, rather than looking at all the marketing stuff. I like to see for myself what's available. And so they have this Labs, WindRiver Labs, which provides some of the stuff for free to play with. Well, I'm following these instructions basically and setting up an SD card image for Raspberry Pi, and I've already gotten started on it. I had to work through some things. One thing I discovered was that I couldn't unzip it using my Windows file system. I actually had to use my tar, so I'm using my Ubuntu distribution. I've noticed they have a lot of this stuff set up as if people are Linux users, and so it's not exactly the most Windows friendly, but if you're like me, you can do both, even if you are a primary Windows user. So I'm looking at the SDK for Raspberry Pi 3 because that's what I have. I have a 3B. I never have bought a 4 yet. I will though soon. For now though, I'm going to go ahead and verify it on here. So I downloaded the SDK already. The SDKs are meant to run on Linux hosts, so I'll be trying to do what I need to do through this, which is Windows Subsystem for Linux Ubuntu. It doesn't have graphical support though, so we'll see where I run into issues with that. And it also doesn't have, it isn't able to detect USB devices connected to my Windows operating system. I can't pass it through or anything, so TerraTerm I'm using from Windows to try to get the UART. Okay, so OS requirements, we've seen that. Prerequisites. I went ahead and installed these the other day on my Ubuntu distro. This didn't exist, so we'll see down the road. I had libc6-i386, which I read up on it, and it's a little different than libc6:i386, so we'll see if that makes any sense. I did that already. Okay, creating the SD card, I just downloaded that. I did this already, format SD card. I copied the files. Alright, so we copied the files from SD card. Let's do that again. Copy, paste. Download the uboot.bin file. I did this already and renamed it as kernel 8 and copied it in. I did that already. I created the VX directory already. Looks like I did that already. So now I copied the kernel image. And now I should just be able to put this SD card in and see the serial output. I may have to swap my serial wires once, but we'll see. Make sure config.txt has the UART enabled. Enable UART equals 1. Okay, SD card is complete. Let's eject it. Okay, let's see. Alright. Ejected the SD card. Putting the SD card into the Pi. I already have the UART wires hooked up. So let's just plug her in and see what happens. Alright, I don't see anything across the serial. Let's swap these wires. Yeah, there we go. Sweet! Alright, getting what I think it says it's supposed to say. Must reset board to recover image too large. Increase config sys boot m length. Data size is 8 megabytes. Alright, let's see if that's part of this. Nope. I think that. We're just boot looping apparently. What does it think it's supposed to be? 5.9? It's saying 8.7. Okay, so verifying checksum, okay. Load address, entry point. Booting kernel from legacy image. Yeah. Everything looks the same except for that size. Loading kernel image too large. Alright, let's see what this is a reference to. Okay, it's U-boot. Probably. So let's go back to the instructions for. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Now that the UART's working. That too. Gotta keep that. I don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. Okay. So back where it says to do the U-boot, tells me to get it from here, and that's where I got it from. So let me go here. Of course. Well, either they don't have the code out, or 2 years ago is when they updated this, so. think it finally gave up. Let's see if I can change that from command line. I doubt it. That looks like a build config thing. Alright, let's go. Let's actually do. Of course not. Board config. So it'll make me recompile their. Can I even recompile it though? There's the C syslib. I wonder if that. I don't see. Never done this. Okay. Yeah, they're being difficult. Huh. So you gotta have the source. Alright, well, what is this comes in this examples. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be in here. Hmm. guess I need to learn how to use man. Alright, let's... all this Linux specific stuff, they just really make it hard. Let's see. Okay, let's see how this works. Option section page. Hey, okay. Over, why do they get everything? Okay, so there's a file. -C. Oh, I guess it's this index.db. Nope. Try man. Oh, this is only going to work once you're on the system, probably. Yeah, I don't think so. That's not how you do it. But they just love making people struggle through this. Okay. So I'm too big. The image they gave me is too big. I wonder if it had something to do with the way I copied it. So just do everything from Linux to make sure I'm not introducing weird bugs. Alright, so we didn't copy U-boot like that, so let's do it. I don't see why that would matter, but whatever. Guess I need to unplug this, put the SD card in here. Okay. I didn't copy this one in manually, so let's do that. It's not supposed to be a directory. It's a file without a name. Yeah, I feel like this is just something they have to fix, and they just hadn't checked their stuff right. Well, maybe I should create an issue. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Link to this. While following the instructions here, I was able to successfully create a new SD card for booting my BlackBerry Pi 3B. Fortunately, during the boot process, it finds that the image VxWorks. Actually, let me say VxSDK/PSP/RPy_0_1_2/VxWorks. Let me actually go ahead and add the rest of it. SDK VxWorks7 I3B is too large at 8.7 the size of the image file provided at the, where did I download that? Let's see. Duplicate this guy. Copy link address. Is it older versions? I downloaded the SDK files from here. As directed on this page. Instead of okay, what's my version now? Well, it's showing the U-boot version. What version does it show? It shows the same U-boot version. I think 2018-11. 2018-11. Perhaps there is an update to U-Boot that hasn't been uploaded here. That can support the larger size. Oh wait, I need more details for them. I learned this. Copy and paste. Perhaps or am I using the incorrect image file? Oh, my U-Boot output is yes. Okay. Let's see. Problem with U-Boot 2018 binary. U-Boot latest image. Latest SDK. Actually, they probably okay. Maybe that'll catch their attention at least. I doubt it because not very active. Two years ago. Whew. Maybe one of these guys can answer it. Alright, well, I guess that probably is going to have to, it's going to hose me up for now. Yeah, all this is depending on you being able to access it across the command line. So I can't do any further here. OSs? Is that how they say that? Public source code. I haven't downloaded this. I might as well download it and see what's going on. Alright, so that's D. What did I name it? WindRiver, yeah. Go ahead and download this. Might as well. See what all is in here. That's PDFs. I can check that out later. Might end up doing the QEMU. Probably. Ooh, I might be able to do this one 1.4. README. Let's try it. Because I was up to 1.6, I believe. Yeah. Now let's try it. Once this downloads, I can unzip it. They copied it with a Git.
Hey.
Huh. Okay. Well, while I'm waiting, I might as well check my stuff. Three minutes left. 2 minutes left. One minute left. And that's just for Workbench. I wonder if they've got an installer. That would be cool. Getting close. Let's see what Workbench has in it. Let's go ahead and rename this 1.6. Okay. Strap here. Clips. Oh wow, all the different odds and ends. Okay. Each one of these is its own. It's got its own source code. Zipped up too. Ugh. They're not going to teach you how to build it, that's for sure. No instructions or anything. What's this LS? Guess they just want you to know what this is. Oh, man, it's all very familiar looking, but instructions just aren't there. Okay, so what's next? Public source for VxWorks. FOMO minutes. That's so many things to respond to. Oh boy. So yeah, they could deliver this a little bit better. Not this. This. I guess that's cool though. That means I can build it for Windows if I wanted to figure out how. Or maybe I'm getting this wrong, because look, this is all just add-ins. Maybe I just dropped the features and plugins into my existing. Yeah, maybe. I just upgrade my own Eclipse. I have to look into that some more. Yeah, because it's got all the. Maybe I had just pointed the path. Do I have Eclipse installed? I can just see if it shows up. Nope. Well, I got tons of Eclipses. What am I talking about? Just not real Eclipse. Maybe it'll at least have the same. It has the same package managers. Maybe I can just see if it shows up.
Hey. Hey.
Okay, let's just see here. No, I don't think it works like that. Local. Maybe it does. Okay, probably not. Anyway. Okay, anyway. Why did I still got that up? Don't need that, do I? Maybe. So the public source is done. I got a U-boot here, but I wonder. It's a whole archive. I wonder if it's in there. Let's try it. Let's see. VxWorks, public source code. So. The latest. That's the whole thing. Bet you I can find whatever that error message is in here now. Oh, board. What do we got here? Raspberry Pi? Oh, it's still adding them. Apprentices, huh? Okay. Wow, a bunch of different stuff from apprentices. Raspberry Pi. Okay, so that's a higher level config. Oh, it's still unzipping, isn't it? Okay, so it's done. Well, I gotta wait for this now because I. Oh wait, no, it's done. Okay. Okay, so what we want to do is do this one. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this. All right, let's see. Come on. Slowly but surely. Okay, so they bunch of different versions there. Oh, there's a 1.5 also. Well, we're gonna go back. Let's see.
I guess I could start downloading the 1.5 just in case. So the SD card, I probably gotta update that part too. Actually, I'm just gonna compare them once I get it. Once it unzips. Toolkit, huh? Yeah, they package them differently. I guess they expect you to be working in VS Code. Okay, well. We'll have to try that out. Where did I see that? WindRiver Studio extension for VS Code. Oh, I can just add it. Oh, they want me to do it with Linux probably. Whatever. Not useful to me. I haven't gotten familiar with it yet. Let's see if this is done yet. Nope. Takes forever. Must be big files. 16 gig, yeah. Plenty big enough. Well, this isn't very interesting. Not even a progress bar to watch. I guess I could watch this progress bar. What else can I read up on here?
Hey.
Might as well read up on Rust while I'm at it. They keep mentioning it in here. claims to guarantee memory safety and thread safety, but no runtime or garbage collector. Ah, interesting. Oh, God, this is not the best way to start on that. It's getting further. Probably speed up once the internet's not right into it. Downloading that other. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. Okay, I already got the SD card out, so let's see. BSPs. What did it say? 30110? Well, it says 112, but we're going to try just the kernel image. Wait, you boot? They definitely do it different back then. Let's just try. Okay. It worked. Alright, let's go ahead and, before I do anything else, go ahead and rename this one .4. We'll start unzipping 1.5 while we're waiting. If it's finished, yeah. Okay. C interp syntax error. Oh, is there anything? ESP status unsupported. Yeah, I understand there's no interface because it said that. Okay. Okay, booted automatically. Yep. Release version SR0660. Okay. So it's probably not this version that they're talking about. And then you gotta have some kind of special USB to Ethernet dongle. Oh, doing everything from command line, huh? Okay, well let's... Okay, we're gonna try that out. They don't even use GCC, do they? Ah, I can do command. Aha. Okay, Control X is not what I think it is. What commands do I get? LS should work. Oh, I haven't done this yet. Okay, I guess I'm just going to pull the plug on it. Yeah, I didn't think so. Oh, I see. Net device create. Ah, there we go. Alright, let's just try pwd. Host, okay. We got some kind of non-standard command console. I'm looking for something like ls. What's SD? Really? Printf? Okay. Interesting. Breakpoint. No breakpoints. Interesting. This is something else. So this must be their specific VxWorks command console somehow. Okay. Alright, let's try the 1.5. Okay. Let's try it again. There's this SR0650. Okay. Looks like the same. What's SHL? Interesting. Address space. Global RAM pool info. Let's look up here. Interesting. A lot of symbols. Is it anything with the number 1 in it? No? It's just like it's got all the debugging information accessible. Interesting. This must be because they haven't gotten the actual Ethernet working. Which is dumb. But whatever. I don't know. I don't see why this operating system is chosen for everything that's like high end, because I think they may have just figured out how to keep it internal or something. A lot of ways to simplify this. Let's just see if Python will run. It's supposed to have it. Huh. Wait, is that how they do it? No, /. What? Doesn't even tell you what the error code means. There's some things missing. Piece of crap. I'm done. Screw this for now. Y'all have a good night.